Welcome to Mistral. Do you want to download and use AI on your PC? Are you overwhelmed by all these LLMs and their versions? Do you ask yourself how to decide which AI to use, which version to download for any particular AI? There are many AI models. Everyone is in this race. Meta has an AI model. Google is in this race with Google Gemini. Microsoft has its Pi. There is Mistral, and then you have quantized versions of the same AI. So let's clear this confusion. First of all, your PC or laptop should have 8 GB of RAM, at least. And if it has a GPU, it's even better. Okay, now use this software, LM Studio. Download it. It looks like this. At home, you can select and download AI models. LM Studio is suggesting popular choices like Llama 3.1 8B Instruct, Pi 3, Google's Gemma, Mistral 7B, Code Llama 7B Instruct. Go to AI Chat. Right now, I have no AI model downloaded and installed in this LM Studio. So it is giving me options of Llama 3 by Meta, Pi by Microsoft, Mistral 7B by Mistral AI. And indeed, these are popular choices. But here we see latest Llama version 3.1 by Meta AI. So pick Llama 3.1, then pick Pi from Microsoft, preferably latest version, Pi 3, instead of Pi 2, then Mistral. And if you are a coder, you can pick Code Llama. And if you need uncensored model, you can pick Dolphin Mistral. That is not listed here at the home page, but we can search it and download it. So pick any one of these that I mentioned, or if you like to experiment with AI, download and install all these. And now something important about the versions. If I search Dolphin Mistral, I see a lot of choices. Now, which one to choose? Which version should I download? Well, we can use filters. My filter is set to most downloads. You can sort by most likes as well. But if a model is latest, it will not have most likes and most downloads. So here you will have to check the version, likes and downloads. I see 115 likes and 102 likes, but version for these is older. Dolphin 2.1, Dolphin 2.2.1. Latest version seems to be 2.9. So from 2.9, I will go with most downloads and most likes. That is first one. When I click it, it will present me various choices for download. These choices also include quantized version and they differ in size as well. For some, full GPU offload is possible. That is great. For some, partial GPU offload is possible. And for some GPU offload is possible. Select a quantized version for better performance. For me, this quantized version with 2.7 GB size is good enough. I can click download to download this model in this system. After it will be downloaded, it will be available in this downloads area. And then I'll be able to use it by selecting it from here. So Meta, Microsoft, Google, Mistral, these are competitors. You want to make sure you try best AI from all of these and select quantized version that is relatively less in size. This app will help you make better decisions in AI selection. If you're not a coder and you want to use AI locally, right now go with this one, Llama 3.1. This version, quantized version with 4.3 GB in size. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.